So hold on, let me turn on flash. All right, flash is on. We have an issue with the fan. I don't know if you saw my YouTube short, but this thing likes to lock up and squeal. So I got these, and so I'm using, fuck, where did I put it? This one. On that. And it works pretty good. And this is a 60 CFM. And here's the model number and all that. Boop. This is the older models. Older model has the massive, unacceptably thick, oversized motor. Don't know why they put a freaking oversized motor on it, but yeah. The new ones have a different motor, and it just like, it's so much better. And there it goes. Now I just have to okay, now this is loose, which means I can take off the motor shaft and see what the fuck is wrong with it. Maybe clean it up a bit, you know. This fan is not even that old, like, what the fuck? Probably like a year and a half old or something like that, and it's already like this. It's kind of unacceptable, you know. I'm recording this on my 16 Pro Max on iOS 16. iOS 16. Oh my god. iOS 26. Alright, so we got that. And we got that. And then we got that. Yeah, that looks fucking filthy. That's filthy. That's filthy as well. Do I have a Kleenex box? Shit. I should have put socks on. Fuck me. This is not the best of cleaning it. And now I have to figure out how, like, which way it goes back. Oops. If it goes back this way or this way. If it goes back this way or this way. And then here's the specs on it. Oh, yeah. You know what? Let me just clean this up here. Owie! Let me just clean this up here. Okay. Oh yeah. Look at that. Why There we go. There we go. I just have to do that for the autofocus. But yeah, there we go. Probably should get a damp paper towel or something. All right, we're back. And hold on. Okay. We're back. Damp paper towel, and look. Yay, I somehow cut myself. Only me. Ay, ay, ay. This will definitely make it run better. Okay, there's that. There's the bottom. Because this motor, for some freaking reason, it gets extremely hot. Like, when I mean extremely, you can't even touch it. If you, like, I touched it for like a second, and it burned my fingers. And then I had a little spray bottle, and I just sprayed it once, and all you hear is tss. I'm like, God damn. Like, it was, these motors are just so stupidly fucking oversized. It's so dumb. It is so dumb. All right. Clean that up a bit. Dry it off. Okay. Now I gotta see if this is the right way, or if this is the right way. No, this is where this is. Fuck. The perks of having fucking ADHD. Woo! All right, this is part one. I'm gonna do a part two. Okay, please.